Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
वो कैसे पासवर्ड यो कैसे
हमको नहीं खाना।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Yes, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Now, children, yesterday we had discussed about the different parts of the cell. Do you have any confusion, any question, queries? Regarding parts of this cell? Now, one by one, first let us revise that topic. एक बार recall कर लेते हैं, फिर हम लोग आगे के topic पे बढ़ेंगे. So, in parts of a cell, which part makes it a, you can say a compartment like shape is given by which part of the cell? Let us have a revision. All of you join, children. How many of you have joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us come to that revision part. Revision part पर हम लोग आ जाते हैं. एक बार revise करके तब हम लोग आगे. Now tell me which part of the cell makes it a, gives the structure of that cell as a compartment.
Cell wall.
Or you can,
Membrane.
Cell membrane.
is this cell wall present in all the cells?
Cell
No,
membrane.
ma'am.
Cell
No, ma'am.
membrane.
It is not present in
Cell
any
membrane.
If it is present in only a particular type of cell, तो I am talking about a cell. तो उसके बाद cell wall का कौन सा part है? Cell wall के बाद
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
will give it a particular shape. Cell membrane is giving a particular shape to the cell for its existence. Or what is the name, other name given to this cell membrane?
Plasma membrane.
Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane.
Okay. Now, the inner gel-like material, which is present,
Protoplasm.
Protoplasm.
that is known as protoplasm. Then, the portion of the protoplasm which is in the inner part of the cell membrane, but outside the nuclear membrane, is known as
Cytoplasma.
Cytoplasm.
what are the composition of this cytoplasm, by which substances it is made?
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate,
proteins,
fats,
minerals,
along with a large proportion of vitamins,
Yes.
and with a
Carbohydrate.
large proportion of
Large
water.
amount of water. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, and vitamins. So we can say that it is made up of all types of nutrients. A combined effect of the nutrient is there for its makeover, or for its making, or for its existence. Now, does this all component take equal part in the working of the protoplasm? Are these components just doing this its own work in the working of the protoplasm? Yes or no? जैसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट, विटामिन, मिनरल्स से बना होता है ना, तो all of it
Yes,
will work
ma'am.
together
Yes,
to
ma'am.
make the working of protoplasm possible. So it will be yes. Then name the most important part of the cell.
Nucleus.
Yes. Yes.
With what part it is surrounded by?
Nucleus.
What is the name of
Nuclear.
Nucleoplasm.
the protoplasm of the nucleus is known as
Nucleoplasm.
Nucleoplasm.
nucleoplasm. Very good.
Nucleoplasm.
Now, if there is a thread like structure or network which is present
Chromatin.
inside the nucleus is
Chromatin.
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 Now,
Chromatin.
when does this thread-like structure condense? कब ये condense हो जाता है? कब?
When the
I'm
cell
asking
is going,
When the cell is ready to divide.
Ready to divide.
When the cell is going to divide.
Now, why
When
is
the
this
cell
division
is-
necessary in the cell? Cell में ये division necessary क्यों है?
To form the tissues.
to
बताओ. और हाँ ठीक है.
To
That
form
is also a
tissues.
possibility. Tissue formation में भी हो सकता है. और क्या हो सकता
To make
है? अगर
make
मान लो
new-
tissue formation हो रहा है तो
to make new
हाँ
cells.
बोलो. Make new cells. I said, what is the necessity of making new cells?
because
cell
every
का
cell
necessity क्या है?
because every cell died after some time.
No, necessity वो नहीं है. उसका cell कैसे बढ़ जाएगा बेटा? वो divide तो करेगा ना. वो division के बाद ही ना कुछ होगा उसका. कुछ
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
तो उसका time होता है, time period होता है. First of all, you tell me, आप सब लोग, हम लोग, कोई भी चीज जो living है, उसमें growth होता है, बढ़ता है ना? तो बढ़ता कैसे है? How this growth and development takes place?
By the division of cells.
By the division of cells. यही हम आपको आंसर पूछना चाह रहे थे कि सेल में डिवीजन होता है ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए. बच्चे छोटे होते हैं या प्लांट्स छोटा होता है या एनिमल्स छोटा, व्हाटएवर जो भी लिविंग थिंग है, दे आर फर्स्ट स्मॉलर and slowly and gradually they become bigger. Then what is the factor? The factor is the division of cell. Okay, is it clear? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is the answer
Yes.
to this question? That for the growth and development of the body, the cells divide. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many types of divisions are there? कितने तरह का division होता है? In a cell. एक सेल में कितने तरह का डिवीजन होता है? बोलो. There are two types of division. ये याद रखिएगा आप लोग. Two types. ये this is not given in your book. ये आप लोग एक 9th में पढ़िएगा, 9th 10th में. There are two types of division. One is known as mitotic division, and the other is known as meiotic division or meiosis. Meiosis, mitosis. Mitosis बोल सकते. Now, what is the necessity of taking two type of division in the body? दो तरह का division का क्या जरूरत है body में? एक ही तरह का division से भी possibility हो सकती थी. तो दो division क्यों होता है? Because I am talking about chromosome, that is why I am explaining all these things. Mitosis इसलिए होता है ताकि हमारा body growth करे. और meiosis reproductive cell में होता है. Reproductive cell. Like we all know that the children develop or the child develops into the mother's womb, and that division is due to the division of the cell inside the reproductive part. वो reproductive part के अंदर जो cell होता है जिसमें parents and mother and fathers का chromosome ये unite करता है या फिर cross करता है, तो that division is controlled by meiosis process. वो सारा जो development होता है, fertilization होता है, that you will study in other chapter, to for the formation of you can say the child, that is through meiotic division, through meiosis, and this general body, height बढ़ना, growth of the body, enlargement of the body, that all is controlled by mitosis. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, अब बताओ, I was talking about chromosome and chromatin, that is why I have told all these things. Now, when the cell is ready to divide, the chromatin condense. Now, condense, what is the means condensation? Condense का मतलब क्या हो? Not condensation.
they
This is condense means becoming bigger and stronger and thicker. They unite. जैसे जो पतला पतला chromatin था ना, एकदम like a thread, that knot becomes into joint and that will become more visible and prominent. Clear? And they are getting when this children are formed, means with the development of that egg will take place, then there will be a crossing of the chromosome from male and female. And this crossing will develop into the child, and some characters from father side and some characters from mother side will be transferred, and a separate type of chromosome will be formed in the child, and that is known as, when the cell is ready to divide, the chromatin condense to form the chromosome, and that is done by the genes which are present on those chromosomes, and that genes are responsible for carrying the character of mother and father to the offspring. So that is known as inheritance of one generation, inherited by one generation from the earlier generations. These chromosomes are the structures responsible for characters or genes inherited by one generation from the earlier generation. कुछ character female part से, कुछ character male part से, they just unite, and then the third type of variety of chromosome develops and into a new offspring, and that is why we call it inherited from our parents. Why do we look similar to our parents? Just because of these genes which are coming from mother and father. Now, is this point clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये point clear हो गया. अब हम लोग दूसरे organelles पर आ जाते हैं. Plastic, which is a very special organ which is present in
Plants.
plants.
Plant
And that is of 3 types. कौन-कौन था? बताओ आप लोग. Plastic 3 तरह का हम कल बताए थे.
chloroplast,
Chloroplast,
Chromoplast, leucoplast.
chloroplast, leucoplasts,
Okay, very good. Chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. These are the 3 varieties that we have already discussed. Then ये भी जानते होंगे कि chloroplast is green in color, chromoplast is colorful, and leucoplast is colorless.
Colorless.
These all are important questions. So you just go through read it and underline the parts in the book. Now comes the next organelle, that is mitochondria. What was the function that I have told you yesterday? जो पढ़े होंगे उसको याद होगा.
they are responsible for the process of respiration.
They are called
Yes,
the powerhouse of
cellular
cells.
activity. हाँ.
The power.
It is responsible for cellular respiration. Cells also
And for
respire.
generation of energy.
Different physical activities.
Yes, and it can also generate energy in you. Energy is provided to the cell for their working also. So that energy development is done by this mitochondria, and that is why it is known as powerhouse. Then endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो कि that provides a framework.
Yes, ma'am.
That gives a framework to the this cell, and there are 2 types of endoplasmic reticulum. एक होता है rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is responsible for synthesis of
Protein.
Proteins.
in the body.
Proteins.
And next comes your smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then that is known as that is responsible for synthesis of fat.
Fat.
Then Golgi complex. This
They are
is
the
responsible-
sac-like structure.
They
Just the
They
sac
are
like the
involved
they are involved in the process of
They are
packaging
involved in processing
the
and
material
packaging of
produced
material
by the
produced by
cells.
cell.
Yes, process of packaging of the material. Then vacuole. It appears
And it stores excess water and waste
Stored section.
products.
And
like that
impetus
it is
in the
vacant,
cytoplasm.
but it is not actually vacant. All the waste product of the cell is stored over there. Waste material is stored over there. Then ribosome.
They are
Ribosomes
they
granules
they
in
process
the
in the synthesis
in
of
protein
protein.
They
They
help
help
in
in
protein
protein
synthesis.
synthesis.
They are the
They
tiny
are
granules.
also responsible for protein synthesis in the cell. Then cilia and flagella.
They help in the motion of the unicellular organism.
In the cell. Locomotion, you all understand? That is
Yes,
movement
ma'am.
of the cell.
Motion.
These are unicellular
Yes, ma'am.
organisms. Euglena and Paramecium, they are unicellular. There is no organ to special organ made for movement in them. So they take the help of the cilia and flagella for their movement. Now this in this chapter, I think I have discussed all the points. So do you have any questions, children? Abhi tak? उसके बाद आगे हम लोग देखते हैं. Okay. Then we will start with levels of organization in organism. ये भी मैंने आपको बताया था, levels of organization. That means how this is the smallest and structural, functional and unit, structural and functional unit. That is known as cell. ये हम लोग discuss किए थे. तो जब cells divide, एक cell बना, so there will be a division. ये divide किया, then that will be forming टिश्यूज, तब वो टिश्यू बनाएंगे. ठीक है. टिश्यूज बनने के बाद ऑर्गन्स बनेंगे. ठीक है. देन ऑर्गन बनने के बाद ऑर्गन सिस्टम बनेगा एंड देन द होल बॉडी इज फॉर्म्ड ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. एक ह्यूमन बीइंग का पूरा बॉडी बन जाता है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज नोन एज लेवल ऑफ लेवल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो हम लोग सबसे पहले क्या बोलेंगे, अगर मान लो एक क्वेश्चन आता है विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म, तो आप क्या
Cell.
बोलिएगा?
Cell.
Which is the largest unit of an organism? So
Organ
organ
system.
Organ system.
Then there are so many systems in a human body. कितना systems है देखो. Digestive, respiratory, circulatory, excretory, skeletal, muscular, nervous, reproductive, endocrine, integumentary. So all of you are understanding all the system? सारे system समझ रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Endocrine
Please
कौन-कौन
elaborate endocrine.
Yes, that what I am asking you. You all are saying yes. So endocrine क्या है?
Ma'am,
Endocrine system is a
system
system
of-
of glands. बहुत सारा ग्लैंड्स है हमारे बॉडी में और वो ग्लैंड अपना सेक्रेशन पोर करते हैं. दे आर पोरिंग सेक्रेशन इन आवर बॉडी लाइक पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. अगर आउटर स्ट्रक्चर में देखोगे तो थायराइड ग्लैंड विच इज देयर इन द नेक रीजन, पिट्यूटरी ब्रेन में है. फिर आपका रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट में रीनल, एड्रिनल, दीज ऑल आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ग्लैंड्स विच आर पोरिंग their particular type of secretion for a particular work to be performed. तो ये हम लोग system of glands आगे पढ़ेंगे जब दूसरा chapter पढ़ेंगे. Then integumentary. What is this integumentary? Integumentary means a system of skins, skin layer. जो skin हमारा body पे है उसमें भी तो बहुत सारा complication है, बहुत सारा systems है, बहुत सारा you can say cells है. So how do we feel? We feel through this integumentary system. The skin which is covering our body. Now, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then comes this topic, that is comparison between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell और animal cell में comparison. तो आप लोग खुद बताओ, कल तो हम आपको डायग्राम से बता ही दिए थे, आज आप लोग खुद बताइए. What is present in
Plant cell have cell wall and
Plant
animal
cell have
Plant
cells
cell
have
and
cell wall and plastic, whereas animal cell don't have these, and they plant cell also have vacuole.
one large
bigger
Plant cells
and
have cell walls and
you can differentiate between एक tabular form जो आपके बुक में लास्ट पेज में दिया हुआ है at this chapter, last page of this chapter, page number 10. Shape is fixed for a plant cell, but animal cell shape is not fixed because this cell wall is there present here in the plant cell and it is absent in animal cell. Plastids are present in plant cell and it is absent in animal cell. Vacuoles, one large vacuole is present in plant cell, but it is either present in small or either it is absent in case of animals. Clear?
Yes,
इस तरह
ma'am.
से हम लोग differentiate
ma'am.
कर सकते हैं. Now the main point that you have to study all the function of the parts of the plant. Depth में जाकर इसको function याद कर लीजिएगा. एक्टिविटी में कौन सी एक्टिविटी में कौन से सेल में किस तरह का स्टेनिंग होता है वो पढ़ना है इसमें. और दिस वेरिएशन इन सेल नंबर, शेप एंड साइज में सेल नंबर के बेसिस पर सेल का टाइप्स कितना है और सेल शेप किस किस तरह के होते हैं. आपको ये भी पूछेगा नर्व सेल किस तरह से क्या करता है हमारे बॉडी में. तो इट ट्रांसमिट नर्व इम्पल्स टू आवर बॉडी. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू सेल साइज which is the smallest cell, that is PPLO, and which is the largest cell, that is ostrich egg, 117 mm in diameter. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. When? It is 1665. Then how does the cell look like when he discovered it? It was just like a
honeycomb
honeycomb.
structure.
Honeycomb.
Very good.
Cork
These
collection.
are the basic questions which are asked from inside the topic. And all of you, please learn the structure of euglena and paramecium also. Just practice it. इसको थोड़ा practice कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है. कभी कभी इसके अंदर का पार्ट्स के बारे में भी लाइक पेलिकल, न्यूक्लियस, ये सब मार्क करने के लिए आ जाता है. क्लोरोप्लास्ट, देन लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन ही मार्क करने के लिए आप लोग को दे देगा कि यूग्लिना में किस तरह का होता है और इसमें पैरामीशियम में किस तरह का होता है. So although this chapter is easy, but you have to learn some of the important points. Anything you have to ask children? कुछ और पूछना है?
मैम
हाँ, बोलो.
पैरामीशियम में 2 न्यूक्लियस क्यों होता है?
That is a structure based बेटा. वो तो स्ट्रक्चर उसका उस तरह का बना होता है, वैसा कुछ मेन उसका फंक्शन नहीं डिस्क्राइब किया गया. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
जैसे हम लोग में न्यूक्लियस और न्यूक्लियोलस होता है ना, उसी तरह से उसका मैक्रो एंड माइक्रो न्यूक्लियस.
ओके मैम.
ओके. एनीथिंग मोर?
मैम क्रोमोसोम्स मेनली किस टाइप के डिवीजन में फॉर्म होता है?
व्हाट? टेल वंस अगेन. एक
मैम
बार और अपना क्वेश्चन.
मैम क्रोमोसोम मेनली किस टाइप के डिवीजन में फॉर्म हो जाता है?
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर क्वेश्चन. एक बार और जोर से बोलिए, लाउडली.
मैम क्रोमोसोम किस टाइप के रिप्रोडक्शन में मेनली सेल डिवीजन में मेनली फॉर्म होता है?
हाँ, क्रोमोसोम क्या रिप्रोडक्शन में क्या बोल रहे हो, हम समझ ही नहीं रहे हैं आपकी
मैम
बात।
मैम क्रोमोसोम किस टाइप के सेल डिवीजन में फॉर्म होता है मैम, मिटोसिस और मियोसिस?
क्रोमोसोम आपका रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल में पार्टिसिपेट करता है। वैसे आपको जब जब डिवीजन होगा तो माइटोसिस और मियोसिस दोनों में होगा, लेकिन डिवीजन में क्रोमोसोम एक्टिवेटेड रहता है मियोटिक डिवीजन, क्योंकि वहां पर कैरेक्टर का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है, वहां एक जीन्स का ट्रांसफर होता है, तो क्रोमोसोम ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है उसके ट्रांसफर के लिए। क्लियर? तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज एक्टिव इन मियोटिक डिवीजन।
मैम स्लाइलिया एंड फ्लैगेला का मैम क्या वर्क होता है?
बोलो।
मैम साइलिया एंड फ्लैगेला का क्या वर्क होता है?
लोकोमोशन, वो यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है ना, वो एक सेल का ऑर्गेनिज्म है, तो उसको मूवमेंट के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए ना। जैसे अमीबा का लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन कौन सा होता है, ये तुम लोग बताओ, पढ़े हो तुम लोग? अमीबा 7th में पढ़े थे ना,
यस मैम।
तो उसमें कौन सा लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन?
Pseudopodia.
Pseudopodia।
तो वो यूनिसेलुलर है, उसके पास अलग अलग ऑर्गन डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता है। तो उसी तरह से ये भी यूग्लिना पैरामीशियम यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है। तो कुछ भी लिविंग थिंग है तो उसको कहीं कोई ना कोई चीज चाहिए ना, जिससे वो मूव करके अपना फूड पार्टिकल कलेक्ट कर पाए। तो इसमें यूग्लिना में फ्लैजिला होता है और पैरामीशियम में सीलिया होता है। इज इट क्लियर?
यस मैम।
ओके।
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow we will go through the question answer. कल हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर कर लेंगे। ओके, और कुछ आप लोग को डिस्कस करना है? Any topic you want to be discussed again? So all of you please children, आप लोग एक बार डायग्राम प्रैक्टिस जरूर करोगे, because you have to draw it. Sometimes drawing also comes, and comparative view of this plant cell and animal cell comes in the exam. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए। कोई और है? एंड दिस ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन के लिए पेज नंबर 4 में जो आपको सेल साइज एंड द सेल ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी का ये जो साइज दिया हुआ है, दैट आल्सो यू हैव टू लर्न वेरी केयरफुली, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में भी मे अराइज फ्रॉम देयर। ठीक है? ओके
यस मैम।
ओके चिल्ड्रन, और कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए।
No, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you all of
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.